We're going out today. We're going out to an event called the Minecraft Experience. It's brand new, just opened up, first place opening. Woo! It opened today, I believe. Might have been yesterday, but it's today's the first Saturday it's open, and we got tickets. We're in. So we're going to go do that today, and looking forward to checking it out and seeing what happens with that. So we're gonna bring you along and do as much filming as I possibly can. Thanks, and we'll see you there.